morning, everyone. Welcome to a POV drive by Saint. Yo, it's a pretty cool morning. But this POV is nice, man. I don't think you guys can hear the pops and bangs nicely. Let me just roll down my windows. Yeah. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. Taking the Mercedes A250 out for a spin. POV drive. Yeah, now you can hear it. No, this is not how I drive. Normally I drive without the pops and bangs, like something like this. Okay, yeah? But because it's a video for you guys, I know you just want to hear pops and bangs. Like this. Yeah. I know most people are just here for the pops and bangs. And sorry for no music in my videos, but YouTube likes copywriting me, so no music from now on, guys. How are you guys doing today? Please comment down below what car you think I should get next. What car do you think I should get next, guys? Because I got a Mercedes, like I said, I would. A Mercedes is my dream car. Yeah. So what car should I get next, guys? And we're actually going to, can you see the guy in front of us has the auction operation sticker on his car? That's where we actually go in. I'm surprised. I'm surprised. Enjoy the drive, guys. Enjoy the drive. Let me just text this guy. Don't text and drive. Oh dang, I don't have data. Still, I need to get me some data. Downshift. When you downshift and when you accelerate while it's downshifting, it's gonna pop and bang. That's how it works. But every time it pops and bangs, petrol. But we don't care. That's what you're probably saying in the comments. We don't care. We're just here for the pops and bangs. We're just here for the pops and bangs. Oh, the camera is still fresh. There's usually cops somewhere around here. And you know, they like bothering me. Once they see a Mercedes that pops and bangs, it's a problem. So I'm not gonna pop and bang just on this road until we take a turn or something. Because they're usually there after the robot by the corner. They're usually there, so I just need to be quiet with the car. Yeah, it's not popping, it's not banging when you don't put too much petrol. Here. Now we're clear. There you go. If you're driving a Mercedes and the cops don't stop you, are you lucky? Because they're always stopping me. Ever since I got this car like a week ago. Yeah. Any chance they get, trust me, they're stopping me. I'm just gonna follow this gent over here because he's going to the same place. And he knows all the spots, like the cops are not. Yeah, but I usually take an Uber to auction operation just because of the cops. The cops are always like on the road. But today, it's a good day. Sometimes it can be too much. sometimes the pops and bangs can be too much, but I got a car like that. Hopefully, thank God I didn't have to like put my money into this, because I know it costs more than 10 grand just to put a down pipe in stage 1 into a car. That is enough. I do see my petrol going down small by small. Yeah, I've only done 70 kilometers. I put a full tank, and there's only less than full tank right now. If you see right there, it was on 1 when I put a full tank, but after 70 kilometers it went down to the second marking. So there's 4 markings. There's half in the center, and then there's another. Yeah, we're almost there, guys. That is auction operation right there. I'm sure you guys can see it. Can't really see what the footage is showing, but let's see if it's 8 o'clock, because this guy makes a big deal. Okay, it's 8 o'clock. It makes a big deal if it's not 8 o'clock. And look at the time right now. Malume. Yeah, pila wena. Yeah. I just wanna sell it. Don't worry, Malu. Can I do it? And just like that, handbrake, we are done. Let me just show you what I was talking about when I turn on the car. Can you see right there? So when I bought it, it was on 1, and then 70 kilometers later, it's here. Yeah. Charles Petrol. But I'm here at auction operation, about to do a auction video showing you guys what's there. So see you in the next video, guys. Bye.